Hey everybody, it's Erin, the other half of Burn and Firm Pilates, and I was making this bath recipe. I'm getting ready to take a detox bath, and I thought I'd shoot this quick little video to show you my recipe for my bath. I'm feeling a little achy, and so I've got, this is baking soda, and this is Epsom salt. So I've added about a half a cup of baking soda and a cup of Epsom salts. The baking soda is great for detoxification, and the Epsom salts have tons of magnesium and will really help me just relax. I've got some achy muscles right now, so it's gonna help my muscles feel better. And also then I've added, I added about 3 to 4 drops of the Doterra Deep Blue, which is amazing for achy muscles. And I added it into the soda and salt mixture. And then I like to add it in there instead of putting it directly in the bath water, because as you know, oil and water don't mix. And so the essential oil just kind of floats in the water and it doesn't distribute in the water. So I put it in the salt and soda mixture beforehand and mix it up. So what happens is the salt and soda soak up the oil. I'm actually gonna put another drop in here, or 2. The salt and soda soak up the oil, and then when you add this mixture, and yes, I'm gonna add all of this to my bath, it's gonna feel amazing, then it distributes better in the water, and then you don't have those clumps of essential oil floating in your water, because the oil has soaked into the salt, and then the salt and the baking soda dissolve in the water. And yeah, so that just makes the oil distribute better. Plus, you get the added bonus of all the benefits of the salt and baking soda too.
Oh.
Huh? Does it smell good?